Let's take a look at this mid-century high-quality resin house bird decor. This bird is available in multiple color options. We have the yellow version. Take a look at the retail box and packaging if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it. The link to it will be in the video description. There's a look at the colors on the back side right there. We got the yellow version. Now let's go ahead and open it up. All right, take a look at the bird. Really like the yellow color, got a good pop to it. There's the detail for the eye. Get a feel for the finish there. The legs have protective feet covers on them. See the underside right there. There's a look at the whole bird with the faces for scale. Get a feel for the color, the size, how everything looks. Top-down view. Back to the side profile. Face on. And then the back.